Slide left limit box into left side panel. Push into place. Repeat with right side. With hinge locks facing down, attach the bottom panel to both completed side panels. Push into place. Using a screwdriver, attach the two back panels to bottom and side panels using the screws provided. Next, screw in cabinet feet. These can be adjusted later. Assemble the center bar by sliding part E and part F into place. Slide until connected. Position cabinet in upright position. Connect newly attached parts E and F to side panels and bottom panel. Push into place. Connect top panel to side and back panels by sliding into place. With remaining screws, finish attaching the back panel to the top panel. Insert hinges into bottom of front panels. Push into place. Attach bag holders to completed front panels by sliding into place. Then, carefully insert completed front panel into bottom panel by inserting hinges into hinge locks. Push into place. Place bag hangers into each bag. Then, insert bags into the unit, resting the bags on the bag holders. You are now ready to enjoy your cabinet hamper.